asuntoskeittiö Möysen rinne.
Yes, today is the 24th of July 2021. We have Karjalankatu 34 Stikis A here in Lahti, Lahti's Päijät-Häme. That was planned Finland, and this is the only elevator in this residential building as the Stikis B is still low, and this was built in 1956. Turning 65 years old this year in 2021, and even with a window inside.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful. Yeah. Swedish and Finnish outside. It's perfect. Also in Lahti it should be. The serial number is 6839. And there's a chair inside. It's a bench. Bench I mean. 5 floors. It's going to be inspected in next year. 2022. And that's right. This is quite special.
Yeah.
With these windows.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Same here.
I think the only thing missing is the mechanical fabricator.
Yeah. We can take a 3 rides probably.
Because of the windows.
Yeah.
But the windows we have to film separately. So you on that side, I'm on this side now.
Yeah.
And then the other way around.
Yeah.
There you can press next.
Yeah.
Because they put the windows in the cab, but not on the doors.
Yeah. Spektiit bara kiva iskuta, että meitä ei pääse omiin hissurakoihin.
Yeah. And then I'll change direction.
Yeah.
Can we press again?
Yeah.
I think this is, if not the best, one of the best, the lower 1950s ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, if not even the best one. From the mid-1950s.
Yeah.
Right, perfect. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a lovely one. Even better one because the windows.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bench also, so it's more luxurious. That's it.
That's it.